Saturday morning edition of The Law and You. Back with us this morning, attorney Greg Fellerman and attorney Molly Clark, who is sitting in for Ed Saramboli, who didn't feel like getting up this Saturday morning.
Yep.
Not really, we're just joking.
He's taking it easy. He's actually on vacation, gallivanting with his wife all over the continental U.S. So I hope he's having a good time. I can't wait to see him.
Sounds just like Ed. We can't wait to see him back as well. But Molly's holding down the fort. In the meantime, let's get to our question today. And this one involves a situation here from Mark in West Pittston. He says, I was pulled over for drinking and driving and reckless driving. The police officer told me that I don't need a lawyer. Just show up and he will waive all charges and I will get ARD. Is this a good deal? Do I need a lawyer? Molly, what does Mark in West Pittston do here?
I would caution Mark in West Pittston. I think he should actually get a lawyer. While ultimately he may be able to do ARD, and that could be a good deal, I think he should still contact a lawyer. Like I said, while he might be able to get ARD, he can't. There are situations where ARD would not be applicable. In certain circumstances, if his blood alcohol content is over a certain level, or if he had already applied for ARD before in the past, a judge may not be willing, or the court may not be willing to allow him to go ahead and go forward with the ARD. And in that circumstance, if that situation presented itself, he would need a lawyer. And I would not want him to have that unfortunate circumstance happen and not be represented.
Yeah, and the other thing with that, if you read the fact pattern, it said there was a reckless driving count. And so what that means is with reckless driving, if you waived all those charges at the prelim and listened to, without a lawyer, the reckless driving charge carries a big license suspension. I think it's 6 months in addition to the one you get with the DUI. So, and it carries a whole bunch of points. So the artful part of being a good lawyer is trying to work out a deal where that reckless driving wouldn't come through, and then obviously save you some time on your license suspension, because you're always going to get hit one with the DUI. So that's the reason why you always need to call a lawyer, because you don't know all the consequences of the actions you're taking. And that's, you get what you pay for.
And I know in a case like this, it's not something criminal, a defense that you do, but you can refer out to some attorneys you work with, right?
No, because we basically just do auto, workers' compensation, medical malpractice, but we have a great team of lawyers that we refer to, and they would help. So all you got to do is give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com. We also do social media, right, Molly?
Yes, we're available on Facebook and LinkedIn as well.
All right, it's time for us to enjoy our coffee here. As the legal advice for the day is done. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark from Fellerman and Saramboli, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.